Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create this trending video using one video editing application. So if you are new on this channel, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get like this video always in future. This video will create on Win application. Win application you will get on Play Store, Apple Store, you will get freely. So you have to download it from Play Store, and well, you have downloaded it, so you have to open this application. You will get like this interface on this application. You have to skip here and you will get your plus option. You have to click it. Go to the new project option, and here you have to select your videos that you have shooted, that bodybuilder videos you have to shoot. Now what you have to do, here you will get this original option. Upper side you will get this original option. You have to click here. You will get 9:16 ratios option, so you have to click here. Here you will get default watermark, so please delete it and like this interface. Now you have to add music, so click to the tab for music option and go to the music option. Here you will get plus option. Click to it and extract for video option. Now I will provide you the full video link in my Telegram channel, so you have to join my Telegram channel. I will give the link in description of my Telegram channel. You have to join. Here you will get this audio, so click to the choice option, click to the right option. Now you have to add God Hanuman photos, so you have to click to the plus option. Here you will get this plus option. You have to click and go to the video photo option, and you have to go to the photos option. You have to add 4 photos of God Hanuman. So I will give this photos image in my Telegram channel. You can download it from there also. I will provide you the link in the description of my Telegram channel. Now you have to go to your first photo, and here you will get plus option. Click to it, and here you will get here you will get this zoom in, zoom out effects. You have to get this types of zoom option you will get. So click to the apply to all option. Now you have to increase your photo duration, so click to the photos and increase duration. About the first photo duration will be 1.80 second, and second photo duration will be 1.80 second only, and the third photo duration will be 0.80 second, and fourth photo duration will be 0.80 second. Same duration will be there. Okay, the video is ready. Now I will show how the video has created. Sorry, I can't on my audio because of copyright strike. Here your video is ready. Now you have to add your tags. You have to add any tags on your video, so you click to the tags option. You will get your tags option and go to the tags option. Here you have to write anything you like to write here. So here you have to write something. So here I have written every Indian's bodybuilder real motivation. That's written the tags. So here you have to click to the export option, and you have to download this video in your gallery. I hope this video is helpful for you, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, जानो तू दिन दिन ना, धीरे धीरे जरा दम लेना, प्यार से जो मिले गम लेना, दिल पे जरा वो कम लेना. Okay, जानो तू दिन